Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Maymont, Saskatchewan is a small prairie community located northwest of Saskatoon. Set along Highway 16, the Yellowhead Highway, Maymont sits in a landscape defined by open farmland, wide skies, and the steady pace of rural life. It is a quiet place, shaped by agriculture and the history of settlement across central Saskatchewan. Maymont has a population of just under 200 people. Like many villages in the province, it serves as a local center for nearby farms and rural residents. The history of Maymont dates back to the early 1900s, during a time when settlers were moving into Saskatchewan to farm the land. The village was established as part of this broader wave of settlement, with agriculture forming the foundation of its early economy. The arrival of the railway helped support the community, providing a way to transport grain and goods to larger markets. Like many prairie communities, Maymont's early development was closely tied to grain farming. The surrounding land proved well suited for crops, and local farmers relied on nearby elevators and rail connections to move their harvest. These early systems played a key role in shaping the layout and purpose of the village. Over the decades, Maymont has remained small but steady. While some rural communities have declined significantly, Maymont has continued to serve its role as a local hub for agriculture and nearby residents. Its size has limited large-scale development, but it has also helped preserve its original character and sense of place. The village's location along the Yellowhead Highway has been an important factor in its survival and accessibility. This major route connects Maymont to Saskatoon and other communities across the region, making it easier for residents to travel and for goods to move in and out of the area. Despite this connection, the village has retained its quiet and rural identity. The surrounding landscape is a defining feature of Maymont. Fields stretch out in all directions, reflecting the agricultural focus of the region. Seasonal changes are clearly visible, from the planting season in the spring to the harvest in the fall, followed by the stillness of winter. These cycles continue to shape both the economy and daily life. Over time, Maymont has adapted to changes in farming practices, transportation, and population trends. While it has not experienced rapid growth, it has maintained its presence as a stable and enduring community. Its history is visible in its layout, its buildings, and the ongoing connection between the people and the land. Today, Maymont stands as a reflection of Saskatchewan's agricultural heritage. It is a place where the past remains closely tied to the present, and where the values of rural life continue to shape the community. For visitors, it offers a straightforward look at a village that has remained rooted in its history.
Thanks for watching!